Sure. Okay. So, welcome back to our cabin escape. This weekend we're looking at trying to get the top plates done on the walls of the garage so we can actually look at starting to set TJIs, the rim board, and the first floor flooring. And we do have one more wall that we need to do in the garage, but it does have a header in it for the stairs. So we'll wait to do that.
The next 2 days are supposed to be kind of iffy on weather, so we're just going to get done what we can for the first couple of days. We're actually up here for 4 days this weekend, where it's a long weekend, and so hopefully we can get it all done in and around the weather and have a first floor done by the end of the week.
So excited.
Stay tuned.
Alright, here's what we've got done so far is we've got most of the top plates in where the beam sits right here. I'm hoping that's in the right spot. Right there, we have to, once we get the beam in, we'll be able to take and put the top header over the top of it. And then we have this front top header to do. But we'll also have a laminate on top of that. So that's kind of where we're at. We're actually going to start now putting our TJIs on and start working our way forward. And yeah.
All right, here we go. So it's raining. You can't really see it, but it's raining pretty good. So we are stuck back inside the trailer. Well, here we are. It's morning of day 2 at the cabin. This is what we woke up to. We have snow, and it is still snowing. So I guess it'll be a while before we're down on site this morning. So stay tuned. And then the rest of us stand here and watch Dave hand cut the beam. He's doing a beautiful job. Kenzie and Phoenix are holding it in place. Well, good morning. Welcome to day 3. We lost half of Friday and all of Saturday due to the snow. So this morning we got up and our daughter and her boyfriend were here and they helped us do the heavy lifting this morning, or he helped us do the heavy lifting. We totally appreciate it because I'm not sure I could have done it without him. So as you can see above our heads, we actually have the beam in place. That was part of our process this morning, and we have started to set TJIs and subfloor on the back part of the house. So
with the beam, we still need to get some strapping on it and finish getting it in, but it's at least in place for right now. So yeah, next time we show you guys that, it'll have strapping and it'll be 100% good to go. So yeah, we're just working on the TJIs and the rim board now and the subfloor, and yeah, we'll take you over and kind of show you what we've got done on that so far, and yeah, we'll just continue to go from there.
okay. All right, so stay tuned. Here we go. So here we are. We are up on the first floor platform. I'm standing basically right now where the back door coming into our master bedroom will be. That's about where the ladder is, actually. So we got quite a bit done. Not as much as we were hoping, but I think we did pretty good for a day where we still had interruptions of weather today. So we have enough to set one more row of subfloor, and then we are out to where we need to start setting the LVLs for the stairs. So about halfway done. Getting a decent peek of what our view is going to be as well. So excited.